Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you wherever you are watching this program from. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not subscribed and turn on the notification button to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. Video of the Edo prince who was recently killed emerged where he is spraying dollars in different videos, in different occasions and weddings. Please be careful of whatever you are doing, how you are showing off yourself, not because you want to show off, but because you are doing the necessary. The necessary. You are doing what is required of you. So, but these days in Nigeria, it's very, very difficult. It's very, very dangerous. It's no longer a place that you can do things in a normal way, just the way it used to be. Just as you can see, Nigeria is rapidly turning to the Somalia we all know, Syria, Afghanistan, Palestine, where insecurity is the order of the day. So be careful. No one knows if he was traced by somebody who know him, who have been watching him or tracing him closely. Fulani herdsmen was dealt another blow by ESN as they destroyed another camp where they reside in Ebonyi State. You can imagine that these people are almost taking over the whole of Ebonyi State. In all these, their camps have been posting in this channel where they are being erased out, vacated by force by ESN. Then you ask yourself, for how long have they lived there that the environment is this neat? Thank God for ESN. Thank God for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as we also wait for the 14-day ultimatum given to them by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to expire, so that they will be radically eradicated in the holy land of Biafra, while every other South region follows suit.
This is the Eastern Security Network. We are working in Ebonyi State. We are doing the wonderful work to do clean up in our bushes. Our mother, our father can go to farm. This is Eastern Security Network in Ebonyi State. We are under command and control.
Hollywood actor Fredrick, Leonard is at it again, as he also praises our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In his word, he says, "Our pop leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a good shepherd. That is why I love him. This man refused to be bought over by the powerful enemies of his own people. So tell me, who the fuck on earth, in his or her right senses, won't love such an honorable man?" This is what we say when people say afar, beyond the people who criticizes this journey to the freedom of Biafra. Thank God for those who are speaking out, and they continue to speak out so that others will follow suit, because it's something that they must have to do. We need the freedom. Everybody needs the freedom in that country, and freedom must be given to every one of us. Fulani herdsmen is on rampage again on Bini Ore Road. This time around, it's not in the dark. They are not hiding themselves. And according to the video, they have killed about 10 persons. 2 dead bodies have been moved away. And they blocked the road that nobody moves for over, he said, 6 to 9 hours. Watch the video so that you see yourself how people cry on the road.
Matches wey Fulani men when they carry for that place now, it passed 200. They don't block road. Nobody fit help us. Nobody, we are here. We are here since 6 o'clock. Nobody fit pass. And then they say no police fit even pass there. Police self no fit talk. Police no fit pass there. Police no fit pass. Soldier no fit pass. We are stranded. We are here. 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 Since 6 o'clock we are here. Fulani men don't keep people here. They don't keep villagers here now. We are in trouble. Nobody fit pass. Fulani men they shoot here now. They kill. They don't care about 10 people now. They don't care about 10 people here now. They don't care about 10 people here now. Fulani men don't kill 10 villagers here now. They don't kill 10 villagers here now. So now we are here since 6 o'clock. We no fit pass, no food. The scene is too much, my brother. It's too much. It's too much. We are here since 6 o'clock. No food, nothing. No food. No, we need help. We need help. We need help. We need help. May they help us. So look at people here now. Look at this. They just carry.
Stop attacking herdsmen now. Northern governors fires. Now, in their recent meeting, they converged and said that southern Nigeria should stop attacking innocent Fulani herdsmen. So they further stated the southeast, the south-south and southwest states should stop attacking innocent Fulani herdsmen. So as the polity heats up, just like I used to say in my low-tone voice, whoever that has a relation in the north should ask them to start migrating back. Relocate. That money that is in the north, you can get it in the south. Because insecurity is intensifying in the country. It is about to burst at any point in time. It is not just maybe speculations or maybe threat or something like that. But I will tell you how it will happen. And this is it. Any day that the north starts moving, that is the Fulanis, starts packing their loads and moving out willingly from any particular zone, that place should start being careful. That place should start being careful, because not only that place, people in their zone, in their region should start being careful. Do you know why? As they are rapidly moving out of Ebonyi State willingly, and every other state in the southwest and south-south, when they receive the amount of people they needed, they will strike. Take it from me. Igbos may not produce presidency with people like Kano, Modo, Junad Mohammed stated. You remember this Junad Mohammed? You know he likes talking. He talks a lot. He talks everything. So this is what he has to say this time around. But the fact remains, I have said it before and I will say it again. No matter the level of sacrifices done by the South-South states, done by the Southeast states, done by the Southwest states, take it from me, by 2023, another president will emerge. And one funny thing is that the security issues, that is, the insecurity uprisings in the country, will not let them to relinquish power to any zone or that is beyond the north, because they are also afraid of what is going to happen in the future or what will happen in the future. So don't expect them to give power to anybody, because they are the power sharers, the power brokers, supported by their British counterparts. So it is not going to happen. This thing he's just saying is, do I say it's a tip-off? Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button to stay tuned. And don't forget to share your comment in the comment section, because your opinions are needed. Bye for now.